going to now induct Mayor Ralph J. Perk, and accepting on his behalf is his son, Judge Ralph Rocky Perk. Justice Terrence O'Donnell joined the Supreme Court of Ohio in 2003 and began to lead statewide efforts to increase professionalism among lawyers and judges across all of Ohio. His leadership culminated in the implementation of a lawyer-to-lawyer mentoring program that is recognized nationally as one of the finest in the entire United States. Justice O'Donnell contributed to his profession by serving as the perennial chairman of the Cleveland Bar Association Student Essay Contest and recognizing winning student authors on Law Day. He has also served as chairman of the Ohio Legal Rights Service Commission, which oversees the protection and advocacy of the developmentally disabled and mentally ill statewide.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to present Ralph J. Perk for induction on this memorable occasion. It's fitting to do so because Ralph Perk was a statesman. He saw the Cleveland community as a mosaic, unique in all politicians in Cleveland. He found the best in cultures and was a unifier. Never mind his political career as a councilman for 9 years. Never mind his service as county auditor for 9 additional years. Ralph Perk left a legacy beyond politics, beyond partisan interests, beyond accomplishment alluded to by Congressman Kucinich in the regional sewer district or in the creation of the Regional Transit Authority. Ralph Perk has a legacy that is lived out by every person in this room. His legacy comes in the formation of the American Nationalities Movement, something he started because he brought together interests of those from separate communities in Cleveland and said, together, we're greater than individually as we stand. The American Nationalities Movement coalesced around the captive nations. And it was Ralph Perk that started the Captive Nations Movement. In 1959, President Dwight D. Eisenhower signed a proclamation on behalf of those nations, and every president since then also signed the same Captive Nations Proclamation. That is until it was Ronald Reagan who stood in front of that wall and said, "Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall." Ladies and gentlemen, that wall does not stand today. We have countries like Estonia, Latvia, Slovakia. But what does stand, ladies and gentlemen, is the American Nationalities Movement. And many of you are members of that organization. And you stand as the legacy left by Mayor Ralph J. Perk of the city of Cleveland. That's real legacy. That's real concern for fellow human beings. And that's what makes Ralph Perk's nomination to the International Hall of Fame meaningful. Thank you for honoring Mayor Ralph J. Perk in this fashion tonight.